Bladder system. What's included? Your kit includes a Sawyer filter, either a Sawyer squeeze or Sawyer mini, a dirty water bladder, hose, a bladder to hose adapter, a hose to filter adapter which is for use with the squeeze filter and not the mini filter, a tongue adapter, cleaning plunger, and a cleaning coupling. Important: remember to wash hands with soap and water before handling the filter. Assembly instructions. Step 1. Assemble the hose by attaching the hose adapters to both sides. Step 2. Screw the filter onto the hose to filter adapter. It's important to note, if you have the Sawyer mini filter, you won't need to attach the hose to filter adapter since the hose will connect directly to the inflow stem of the filter. Wait to attach the hose until the bladder is full of water. Filtering the water. Step 1. Make sure the small cap at the bottom of the bladder is screwed on. Then remove the larger cap and fill the bladder with water. Pre-filter any muddy water with a cloth or t-shirt to help improve the flow rate. Screw the large cap onto the bladder. Step 2. Hold the bladder upside down and remove the small cap. Then screw the hose system with filter onto the small opening. Step 3. Attach the tongue adapter to the neck of the bladder to prevent the hose from kinking. You can hang the bladder from the handle or set it on a flat surface. However, the greater the distance between the bladder and the filter, the faster the water will flow. Step 4. Open the cap in the raised position, then lower the filter to start the flow of water. After filtering, raise the filter and close the cap on the filter. Backwashing with the cleaning plunger. Step 1. Filter 1 last cup of water. Step 2. Fill the cleaning plunger with the filtered water. Step 3. Remove the hose from the bladder. Remove the filter cap and insert the plunger onto the tip of the filter. Use the palm of your hand to backwash the filter with force into an appropriate disposal location. Repeat 3 times or until the water runs clear. Discard the backwashed water. Reattach the cap onto the filter. Backwashing with the cleaning coupling. Important: this step only applies to filters with threads on the output side, like the Sawyer Squeeze and Sawyer Dual Threaded Mini. Step 1. Fill a clean plastic bottle with filtered water. Step 2. Remove the hose from the bladder. Screw the cleaning coupling onto the drinking side of the filter, then screw the bottle of filtered water onto the cleaning coupling. Step 3. Tip the bottle upside down and squeeze forcefully to backwash the filter. Repeat until the water runs clear and easily. Discard the backwashed water. Clean the filter every day to help maintain the flow rate. Avoid letting the filter dry without cleaning and backwashing it. Important: store your filter out of direct sunlight when not in use, and make sure the filter does not freeze.